Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching TechMate Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create this Instagram heart team photo edit. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So first of all, download Polish Photo Editor from the Play Store and just open the application. Now click on this photo option and just select the photo that you just want to edit. After selecting the photo, click on the effect option. So here you just need to click on the neon option. So here you just need to click on there's a lot of category, so you just need to select the love category. So here you just click on the LO3. So this is the thing I just talking about. So you can just resize it, or you can just rotate it like this, and you can just place it on your image. It's look like super 3D effect. You can see how it's look like. You can just turn it and you can just place it. You can see the effect like between the phone, which look so reality. So you can just change, you can just feel the effect like this and click on the OK button. After clicking on OK button, click on this save option on the top and you can just save the image on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.